is gathering, a storm that knows your name, a quiet spark of destiny about to burst in flame. Calyxes open, reaching for the call, a lineage forming in the shadows of the wall. Pollen crown, the future takes hold. Skunk Afghani, roaring through the green and gold from root to roar. A dynasty is spun, pollinated titans rising toward the sun. Toward the sun. Male ghosts drift their legacy, carried on the air. A whisper of tomorrow, settling everywhere. New bloodlines gather strength in every forming seed. A kingdom built in silence, born from ancient need. Pollen crown, the future takes hold. Skunk Afghani, roaring through the green and gold from root to roar. A dynasty is spun, pollinated titans rising toward the sun. The future takes hold. Skunk Afghani, roaring through the green and gold from root to root.